Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Day. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mole Veterinary Services in San Francisco Staples, and we're helping El Paso help their pets. So today I want to talk about something that we had a client tell us today that we were shocked to hear. Basically, they had taken their pet to Juarez to get spayed, and when they arrived, the veterinarian told them that the pet could not be spayed because it had not passed through its first heat cycle. This is extremely false. There's numerous studies out there and information out there showing that the risks of allowing pets to go through their heat cycles greatly increases the risk of breast cancer, as well as other reproductive cancers and uterine infections. There are certain situations in giant breed dogs where it is good to allow them to age a little bit, to a year, or in certain occasions even up to 2 years, to spay them, usually just a year, to allow their bones to fully grow before spaying. And this is on a case-by-case basis, so we'll talk to you about those risks if you do have one of these breeds. Otherwise, it is totally false. The myth out there, in the past is totally false about needing to let your pets go through their first heat cycle or even their first litter. And it's really important that you know that, because every heat cycle they go through produces those hormones that put them at risk. And so it's best to spay them before their first heat cycle. In little tiny breeds, we recommend allowing them to get to the full 6 months, so that if they didn't drop any of their baby teeth, we can go ahead and take them out at the same time. Other than that, other breeds can be spayed between 4 and 6 months, and that way we prevent that. Also, there's another area in town that tells clients that they can't be spayed over a certain age or if they're overweight. And so again, please, that is a myth. That's not true. It's a personal decision by the veterinarian if they do not want to do a surgery like that, because there are more risks. And in that case, those pets are not receiving IV fluids, they're not getting pre-anesthetic blood work, and that's the reason why they choose not to do those older dogs and those overweight dogs. Doing surgery on an overweight dog is hard. It greatly increases the difficulty of the surgery, but it can definitely be done. And so if you think about it, a pet that does get breast cancer, we have to go ahead and spay them, and they may be 12 years old. Or if they get a uterine infection, we have to spay them to fix the problem. That's the only way. And so at that time, they're already compromised, they're older, they are sick because of the infection or because of the cancer, and so the surgery is extremely high risk, but it has to be done. So it's better to do it when they're healthy. Even if they're 12 years old, doesn't matter. They can be spayed at any age, and just do the preventative, checks, the blood work, make sure they have IV fluids, and get it done, and so that you can prevent those dangerous situations from happening. And even if they're overweight, it can definitely be done. If you have any questions, that's what we're here for. We want to answer them and help you out. If you're not sure about something, get a second opinion. Remember, please, that Dr. Google doesn't always have the answers. I've seen a lot of really false information online. But again, that's what we're here for, and we do have some information on our website as well. Also, please remember, it is December. We have our 20% off of all services, so it's an amazing, amazing offer. The reason why we're doing that is we want to give back to the community for the holiday season and allow you to be able to do the services that your pets need. So get them everything they need, do their heartworm test, do their fecal test, get them their year supply of their flea and tick preventative and their heartworm preventative, get them spayed, get their teeth cleaned, get them microchipped, do everything that your pet already needs, and do it now while you get a discount. And so your pets get a nice Christmas as well. If you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day.